So are you the one who wants to learn how to create sentences in Spanish language? Then this video is for you. Hola y bienvenidos, welcome to Spanish with Pallavi y buenas tardes, good evening. In this video we are going to learn the very basic sentences in Spanish language and how do you create these basic phrases and sentences in Spanish language. So whether you're traveling or just talking to your friends or just want to study in Spanish or just passionate about Spanish language, then these essential and useful phrases are the ones that you should start from. So after learning how to create sentences in Spanish language, you'll eventually get to learn the very basic vocabulary, basic grammar rules, conjugation of some verbs, the formation of these sentences, the pattern of the sentences, which includes pronouns, adjectives, articles, etc. So you'll eventually get to learn a lot from all these useful and essential Spanish phrases that we use in our daily conversation or daily life. So in the previous video, we have already done the singular ones, the singular sentences. In this video, we are going to do the plural ones, the plural sentences. But worry not, obviously I'm going to teach you some singular sentences so that you can practice both singular and plural. So we are going to translate from English to Spanish. We are going to learn from English to Spanish and we'll eventually get to learn the pronunciation in Spanish language. Let's start. Empecemos. As you can see on the screen, the sentence is I live in Spain. How do you say that in Spanish? So one by one we'll do it. How do you say I in Spanish? Yo. Live in Spanish. Vivo. In will be en. Spain will be España. So the whole sentence will be I live in Spain. Yo vivo en España. Yo vivo en España. Next, you have a sister. How do you say that in Spanish? You will be tú. So this is you informal. Tú. Have will be tienes. A will be una. Sister will be hermana. So the whole sentence will be you have a sister. Tú tienes una hermana. Tú tienes una hermana. Next. So like these kind of sentences we are going to do in the plural ones. And if you want to practice more singular ones, then I'm going to put the link in the description part of this video. Part 1 singular ones. Okay, so this is part 2 plural ones. Let's start the plural ones. The houses are big. How do you say that in Spanish? One by one we'll do it. The will be las. Houses will be casas. Are will be son. Big will be grandes. So the whole sentence will be the houses are big. Las casas son grandes. Las casas son grandes. Next. They live in Spain. How do you say that in Spanish? They will be ellos. Live will be viven. In will be en. Spain will be España. So the whole sentence will be they live in Spain. Ellos viven en España. Ellos viven en España. Next. The kids play in the park. How do you say that in Spanish? So this is also a plural one. The will be los. Kids will be niños. Play will be juegan. In will be en. The park will be el parque. So the whole sentence will be the kids play in the park. Los niños juegan en el parque. Los niños juegan en el parque. The pens are on the table. How do you say that in Spanish? The will be los. Pens will be bolígrafos. Are will be están. So tip for the sentence, we do not use ser for the location. We use estar conjugations for the location. So there is a pattern that we use ser conjugations and there is a pattern for we use estar conjugations. The very basic I'm explaining, we use estar conjugations for locations, positions, emotions. Okay, so these are the temporary basis things. that I am not permanently in the office, I'm not permanently in the school or in the class. So we use estar conjugations for all these things, but we use ser conjugations for more on the side permanent things. For example, for the description of these things, the characteristics, the nationality, and the relationships. So for these basic things, we use ser conjugations, more on the side permanent things. So that was the tip. So conjugate these verbs accordingly. So let's get back to the sentence. The pens are on the table. Are will be están. On will be en. The table will be la mesa. So the whole sentence will be, the pens are on the table. Los bolígrafos están en la mesa. Los bolígrafos están en la mesa. Next. You all go to the school. How do you say that in Spanish? You all go will be vais. To will be a. The school will be la escuela. So the whole sentence will be, you all go to the school. Vais a la escuela. Vais a la escuela. Next. We study Spanish. How do you say that in Spanish? We will be nosotros. Study will be estudiamos. Spanish will be español. So the whole sentence will be, we study Spanish. Nosotros estudiamos español. Nosotros estudiamos español. Next, the cities are beautiful. How do you say that in Spanish? The cities will be las ciudades. Are will be son. Beautiful will be bonitas. So the whole sentence will be, the cities are beautiful. Las ciudades son bonitas. Las ciudades son bonitas. That was it. These were the plural ones, and we have also practiced some singular ones. So if you want to practice more these kind of sentences, I'm going to put the playlist link in the description part of this video. Also the singular one, part 1. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi. Subscribe my channel, share this video and like this video. Be consistent, keep learning Spanish. Let's learn Spanish every day. And there are so many daily YouTube shorts on my YouTube channel Spanish with Pallavi, and there are so many long videos as well to practice more these kind of sentences. And in shorts, I've uploaded so much content. You can go and watch those videos and like those videos and subscribe my channel Spanish with Pallavi. Adios, hasta pronto.